creek that the roads will be getting mushy. If it's just mushy, I can back right up to him. If not, I got chained. We'll chain up and do it that way. Hopefully we'll want. The roads certainly don't look bad going up Salmon Creek. They did have some snow though. Boy, just back up to him, pick the back end up and over, and put it on the road. It's a nice little amount of snow up here, but the roads are still looking pretty good. Now we're starting to get into about 4 inches of snow, it looks like. They plowed the roads this morning and the roads are still looking pretty good. They're still got a little bit of snow on them, but where had some wind on it, it's dried out. So yeah, got a lot of pavement to drive on here. A little bit here. It should pivot up on top, I hope. Got swivels on it. There you go. Go ahead and tighten her up, Park. Run that spade down a little harder. Right spade. Now your left spade down a little bit. There you go. Okay, start winching. Go ahead, just throw it up here for now. Okay, start winching. You're going, Park. Oh, you getting the chain out of there? Your wheels right? Okay. Raise your blade up. Keep going. Keep winching, Park. Hold it. We gotta get a shovel and do some digging. He's digging in over there where the tires were. See if he's got a shovel. You got a shovel? Shovel one more time. I had to change the cable. I had to do a little lift on it here. truck as an anchor. We got these. This is a salt spreader. We don't want to screw the hydraulic lines up on it. It's coming right over. We got the rear tires almost on the asphalt. Okay. A little more left. Good. He's okay. A little more left. You okay? What happened? What it pop over? What it pop over?
No, but it popped up. See how it popped up on the pedal edge? It's pulling up on the release instead of pulling on the pedal edge.
Wasn't it locked in?
It's locked in. It can't open, but.
Okay, go a little more.
You want to disconnect my truck real fast?
Oh, you got another foot or two. Go ahead. Good. He's doing fine. Okay, that's good. Wait for his rear tire, you ought to be fine. That should do it.
Have him drive out of here now?
I think he will, yeah.
You gonna be able to drive out of here. You gotta back up before you go forward.
Look at her. Stand it out. Swing that. Can you disconnect me, Park? You just throw that right in that big ring right up there for now.
I had to help you there for a minute.
Okay, Parker, swing that, pull that chain out of there. And swing that wheel lift the other way, towards me on this end.
Nope.
Won't quite, well, you can clear
Suck
it.
it back in, it might.
Nope. You pull those cables around it?
Yeah, go ahead, real slow.
I'm gonna bring it in now. Can you swing it? Let me bring it up a little more.
There you go.
How can you? Can you swing it?
Just suck it in.
Huh? I can't. It won't do that. It doesn't. You just gotta raise it up and then go in. Whoa! Okay. You pull the chain out. Whoa! Whoa! Damn. I was doing that. And there's children watching this. Grab that snow behind there so it gets right up on the pavement. This stuff's melting pretty good. Okay, we gotta dig out one more tire. What we don't want to do What we don't want to do going downhill is hit the brakes, because your front tires will lock up, put you right back in. No. Okay, hang on a minute. Huh? Turn your wheels a little bit left. Okay, try going back gently. Looking good. You want to try and plow that right there? Just get out of his way and see if you can plow that.
No, you're good.
You want to just plow this dirt off there? Stay to your right. Nope. Now you gotta stay to that right or you'll be back where you were. Who does? I'm supposed to call him? Okay. I just get this lane a little bit, but don't go off the shoulder. There you go. Okay, you want to give him his shovel back?
Yeah, you're changing right.
Yep. Huh?